Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this pastel goth outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, first thing first guys, you can choose this 3 hairstyles and you're going to color it with the purple color, this one. Okay, and then we're going to go to this area. Oops, I'm going to wear this corset. Okay, select this one, and for the first selection I'm just going to make it black, and for the second selection I'm going to color it with this purple, and for the third selection I'm going to color it with this purple. Oops, sorry, this one. And next I'm going to color it with this color or this color. Okay, better this color. And I'm going to select the skirt and we're going to apply pattern, this purple pattern for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm going to color it black and color it white for the last selection. Okay, and then I'm going to select this boot, this one, and I'm going to apply this color. Okay, or wait, let me apply this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to apply this pink color and then apply this white color for the third selection and also for the fourth selection. Alright, now it's done, and I'm going to go to this area right here and select this item, color it black, and I'm going to choose this gloves and I'm going to color it with my skin tone color for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it black. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to apply this sock. Oops, where is it? Okay, this one, and I change it to high stripped toggle. Okay, and for the first selection I'm just going to apply white color, and the second one I'm going to apply this purple color. Alright, and then I'm going to select the stocking and apply black color. Oops, sorry, not for the first selection, but for the second selection, apply the black color. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the accessories or the necklace here. Apply this necklace and I'm going to color it with this purple color for the first selection. I'm gonna go with this one, and for the second selection I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, done, and also this one, and for this one I'm just going to apply this color. Okay, and I'm going to go to the hair accessory. I'm going to apply this ribbon and make it type 3 and make it black, and you're going to apply this one as well, and then you're going to color it black for all of the selection. Okay, it's done, and the last one I'm going to go to the dressing room or the changing room, and then we're going to go to the currency item and grab this beer and color it with this purple color, and then I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to change it to toggle 3. Okay, and I'm going to wear the Myra heel, this one, but I'm going to change the toggle to classic sock. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.